Actually, I am I have an idea stage at present. So I'm basically going in the fashion and apparel industry. So trying to revolutionize that with the tech. So we have a problem of perception and sense in online shopping. Like we usually say ना कि दिखाते कुछ और है आता कुछ और है. तो उसी का solution है मेरे पास. And I have made the pitch deck, financial projection, business roadmap plan, and all the things are ready. So what next I had to do?
See, if you want to get into the idea funding of StartupLanes, it's very simple way, right? We do all your documents, pitch deck, evaluation, projection, research report, graphic, promo video, right? Promo video, obviously you have to make, we will edit it. So it's a complete package, which is approximately costing us 1.25 lakh, out of which 35,000 is the contribution by the founder. Rest is the contribution by StartupLanes. We take an incubator equity of 10%, and then we take you to the demo day directly, right? When you go to the demo day, generally the ticket size of fundraise which is coming in the first round is 25 to 30 lakh. This is the ticket size which has come in the last 7-8 demo days. And so far, by God's grace, all the startups have got the commitments, all who have appeared into the demo days, both revenue and the idea stage. So every Thursday we do an idea stage funding. Every Saturday we do a revenue stage funding. Okay. So before that, you need to ensure that you should have 2 co-founders. That means 2 directors, a private limited company. Everything should be ready. Your idea should have a base. You must have done some POC, some kind of, maybe a professor's view or testimonial by the customer, right? Because such kind of challenges do come. And I'm not saying आपका idea खराब है अच्छा है. What happens is हर सिंगर को लगता है कि मैं सबसे अच्छा गाता हूँ, है ना? तो उसको तो कभी नहीं लगेगा कि मैं बुरा गा रहा हूँ, पर सुनने वाले तो अपने कान बंद कर लेते हैं, है ना? So that is why it is always good. Like आपने apparel की बात करी. What I always used to think before doing fashion designing, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, मैंने fashion designing 2001 में किया. I used to think मुझे वो कपड़ा पहनना चाहिए जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है ना? But after fashion designing, what I got to know?
Yes, sir.
I learned that I should wear what people think looks good on me. Isn't it?
Definitely, sir.
So that is the perception. When it changes, then everything changes, right? My favorite color changes because I don't have to see myself. I will see myself in the mirror for 5 minutes in a day, but people will see me for entire day, isn't it? So what I'm trying to tell you is better to validate yourself through the customers or through general public before coming. That will save a lot of time and give you a lot of confidence. Yes, we are happy to mentor you. We will be there with you in the entire journey, and this 25-30 will not be the only round we will be doing for you. There will be subsequent rounds, and we expect StartupLanes is idea to IPO. So we expect all our startups to hit the IPO in next 3 to 5 years. That is what our expectation is, and that is how the dream of generating 1 million jobs will be fulfilled, right?
Fine, sir.
Any follow-up question you have?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have to work on the tech part, but tech is my main USP. So for building that tech team and tech for whole ecosystem for that, so will StartupLane assist me in that also?
Yes. See, I would tell you one fact, and that secret everybody knows. Actually, it's not a secret anymore, but still we don't believe. Fine. Right? In startup, everybody is a salesman or woman, whatever you want to call, but everybody is a salesperson. No matter you are a tech guy, no matter you are a design guy, it does not matter.
Okay, sir.
Everybody has to sell, right? So first quality that you have to get inside is the sales. If you are able to sell, then you can make anything, right? Sounds absurd, but actually this happens. If you are able to sell, then you can make anything. Why Microsoft became so big? Because they were able to sell. They were not having the product, right? If you read their story.
Yes, sir.
They were not having the product. They committed a product which they never had.
Fine,
right? And by the time they said we are just installing the product on your system, they actually created the product.
Okay.
Right? That is how Microsoft got into picture. Microsoft was born that time actually. Right? That was the actual birth. So what I'm trying to tell you is, we will help you in building your team. But definitely you as the CEO have to make sure that you are able to sell what you are making. And idea stage startups, we expect them to have alternate sources of revenue even if the product takes 6 months or 1 year. Understand this very important point I'm telling you, right? So one guy who came to me and he said, sir, my product will take 1 year and I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer. I will not be selling things. ये टुटपुंजिया काम नहीं करूंगा मैं कि ये
Yes.
सब बेचूं, right? And I said, boss, this is nothing, कोई काम छोटा नहीं है, nothing is small. You have to sell the merchandise. बोला ये तो मैं कर ही नहीं सकता, मैं टी शर्ट बेचूंगा, मैं तो टेक डीप टेक बना रहा हूँ. I said, no boss, जब तक आपका नहीं बनेगा, you have to sell the merchandise. And this is truth. I'm telling you, नाम नहीं बता सकता आपको, I cannot tell you the name, but this is pure truth. We expect you to make revenues from day one. If not possible from day one, make the revenues from first month, second month, third month. Let it be alternate revenue coming.
Okay, sir.
Right? Because no matter how much funding comes, ultimately you will survive only on your selling capacity or capability. If you're not able to sell something, some alternative products, then it's difficult, right? So that's what I will recommend. A deep tech also does not matter. All you have to do is make sure you keep on generating revenues.